In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix PS5 controller stick drift in 2026. Stick drift on the PlayStation 5 controller usually happens when the analog stick moves on its own due to dust, wear, or calibration issues. First, try resetting your controller. Turn off your PS5, then find the small reset button on the back of the controller. Use a pin to press and hold it for a few seconds, then reconnect it to your console using a USB cable and turn it back on. Next, go to your PS5 settings and open Accessories A-Controller Calibration Settings if available. Adjust the dead zone or recalibrate the analog sticks to reduce unwanted movement. If the issue continues, try cleaning the analog stick. Gently move the stick in circles while using a small amount of compressed air around the base to remove dust and debris that may be causing the drift. You can also update your controller firmware through system settings, as updates sometimes improve stick performance and fix bugs. If nothing works, the final option is to repair or replace the analog module, since long-term drift is usually caused by physical wear. So that's how you fix PS5 controller stick drift in 2026 and get your controller working smoothly again.